Hey, so what's going on? Today we have a couple of packs from Walmart. Like, I think these are, I don't know, they're random packaged packs, like Metal Raiders and I think Legend of Blue Eyes. And I have a sneak peek of Lightning Overdrive, which should be cool. I think we're gonna start off with that. But before that, the giveaway winner. So from the last video, the giveaway winner is Tashu Mashup. So he won. I'll put the picture up in the I'll put the picture up here. So congratulations. I think I already contacted you before I put the video out, so just get back to me and I'll have those sent out. As far as another giveaway, so the giveaway for this video are these 3 cards. They're all from Duelist Saga and they're all first edition. So we have Chaos Scepter Blast, Sea Lord's Amulet, and Dark Summoning Beast. So all you have to do for those, it's the same conditions, just like, subscribe, and comment your favorite card you see here today. So I'll be looking forward to those, and same system, you know, I'll contact you next weekend if possible, and I'll put it in the next video. So next weekend's video is probably going to be a box of Lightning Overdrive, because I tried to buy one this week, but my card shop didn't have his in stock. Like, their shipment's running a little late, so that's cool. But we'll start off with sneak peeks. So we got the Field Center. That looks awesome, actually. It's really cool. Really cool Field Center. It's that new Utopia monster, I believe. Alright, let's see what we get here. It'd be insane if I pulled a Starlight Ray out of this, which, you know, most likely will not happen. Warrock Generations. Okay, Warrock, new Warrock support. Bujin Candescence. Okay, Bujins. Oh wow, I guess they're getting more support. Amaze Attraction. Majestic Merry-Go-Round. Okay. Atoshi Damashi. Okay. Whoa, that's cool. Rank up Magic Zexal Force. Obviously an Xyz card, but or Utopia. Yeah, Xyz card. That's pretty cool though. Super rare. 1 by 1. Looks like 1 for 1 almost. Springin's Booty. Okay. Continuous card for Spriggans. Warrock Big Blow. More Warrock support. And Ankmorphite. Ankmorphite. I don't even know how you say that. It's weird. Weird pronunciation there. Still cool. Okay. Ooh, split the pack now. Okay, let's see. Ooh, Starry Night Seal. Okay. More Starry Night cards. DDD Super Sight King Zero Maxwell. Okay. Amazement Special Show. One Curry Way and Ida the Sun Magician. That looks cool. Super. Binary Blader. Reminds me of like Cyber Blader. In a way. Birth of the Prominence Flame. Hidden Springs of the Far East. I don't know what. That's a field card? What is it for? I don't know. That's a weird field card. Judge of the Ice Barrier. Oh, some new Ice Barrier card. That looks pretty cool, actually. Just common, but still looks cool. So Ice Barriers, are they making a comeback? I don't know. Let me know. So I got the new, or that structure deck before, but you know, seems to be alright. Oh, Don Mari and Ignister. Sky Scourge, Sid Hells, Dogmatic Calamity. Okay, that's cool. AI Meet You. Whoa, Lion of the Light Charmer Lustrous. That's cool. Link to Spellcaster. Oh, she's always treated as a familiar possessed card. That's really cool. Looks cool as a super rare, actually. World Soul Carbon, Basal Roach Shoot, Springin's Booty, U and AI. That's fun. They always have some puns in there for AI cards. Let's see here. Springin's Brothers, Dalmariad Igniser, Sky Scourge, Sidhells, Dogmatic Calamity. Oh, Amazement Precious Park. That looks really cool, actually. It kind of reminds me of the Foster's Home for Amazing Friends or whatever it is. That's a cool card, though. I don't know. I might try to build Amazement cards. Fukubiki, ZS Arm Sage. That's like more Utopia support, I think. Pharaonic Guardian Sphinx. Looks like a retrain of Guardian Sphinx. Hidden Springs of the Far East. Oh yeah, so I didn't get to do this video as soon as I'd hoped because I was actually at the Marvel Museum yesterday. So that was actually really awesome. Maybe I'll show a picture so you guys can see what. I'm not gonna show all of them because it's like 23 pictures or something, but I'll put some picture up so you guys can see. Judgment of the Branded, S-Force Dog Tag. Oh yeah, I forgot new S-Force cards were in here. I do need some of these to work on the S-Force deck. Maybe I'll have another deck profile soon, so we'll see about that. Yamori Mori, Sky Scourge Sidhells, Expandable Die. Whoa, it's super. What does this do? Tribute one warrior monster, then target one card on the field, destroy it. And if you do, draw one card. That's actually not bad, because warrior decks are really good at spamming monsters on the field, so you could like say you have this as your turn. You know, you spam a couple monsters, tribute one you don't need, you can just pop one of your opponent's spell or trap cards, because it's just one card on the field. Yeah, target one card on the field, so that's pretty cool actually. CS Arm Stage, Birth of the Prominence Flame, 1x1, Springin's Booty. So that's actually, I don't know. I mean, they're all super rares, but it was still pretty cool. I think it was pretty cool opening. A lot of interesting cards in there, for sure. Let's check out these under the blister packs. Well, kind of blister packs, like they're not really singles, but. So I guess you get one mystery card and then 2 packs. I believe these are unlimited too. Like I don't think I highly doubt they're first edition. Let me see. So first pack, let's go into Fright for Sheep. I remember Fright for cards. This is from FUEN. Oh, it's first edition. Don't know what FUEN, like Fusion something. I think there's Fusion pack, like that might be the pack with Starving Venom Dragon. That's pretty cool. I actually liked Frighters, they were interesting. So we got a Metal Raiders and a Dark Crisis pack, so that's what will be in the other one too. Yeah, I think these are just unlimited. I don't believe they're first edition, but still cool, you know. Still cool to open them up and see the nostalgia, so I figured I'd get these since we didn't have a box to open with. Oh cool, 7-colored fish, I remember that. Harpy Lady, Musician King. Oh, Garnecia Elephantis. Oh, and a rare Robin Goblin. Okay, it's cool seeing these, you know, reminds me of the past. Blast Juggler, Battle Steer, Oguchi, Paralyzing Potion. And I will try to remember to do a recap of all the cards here. I'll just do like the higher rarities, like super rare and up. So just so you guys can get a feel for what we got. Or I mean, can take a look and see your favorite. Alright, that was Metal Raiders, so now we're on to Dark Crisis. Outstanding Dog Marin. I think this is the same dog that's on the Where Art Thou card or something, people were saying. Maju Garzet. Pandemonium. Shooting Starbow Seal. Contract with the Abyss for a rare. Okay. Vilepon Archfiend, Cyber Raider. Alter for Tribute. Guardian Noma. Yeah, so these are all unlimited cards, which is kind of expected. Okay, so that was the first pack. Let's go on to the second. We're still here. Whoa, that's cool. Actually, I love golden cards, as you guys know. This is from the movie pack, obviously. Cubic Rebirth. I love gold cards, man. I swear. They might not be the best, but I still love them. Okay, let's see. So we're on, that was Metal Raiders, this one. So, sort of deep-seated Baby Dragon, Labyrinth Tank, Dream Clown. Oh, Little Chimera is a rare. Uvatori, The Graceful Coffin, Lady of Faith, Cocoon of Evolution. Okay. And on to the Dark Crisis. So, Shinato's Arc, Archfiend's Oath, Shooting Starbow Seal, really Eternal Rest. Oh, Dark Scorpion Combination. It's a rare dice reroll. Sasuke Samurai number 2, Twin Swords of Flashing Light Trice, Mustering of the Dark Scorpions. So that was a pretty fun opening. Yeah, pretty cool, you know, trip down memory lane. So yeah, here, let me get the rares all, or the cards all situated here. So here's the easier run through so you guys can see what your favorite card is. So we pulled, well, Fright for a Sheep was a bonus card, Cubic Rebirth was a bonus card, Guernica Elephantis was from Metal Raiders, and then the rest are from the Lightning Overdrive. So we pulled Expandable Die, Super, Line of the Light Charmer Lustrous, Super, Rank Up Magic's Exo Force, Super, Amazement Precious Park, Super, and Ida the Sun Magician, Super. So, yep, again, just let me know what you guys think. Like, subscribe, comment down below, and I will pick a winner by next weekend. And till next time.